I've got 60 seconds to show you how I got this image. So I've set up two stripped softboxes next to each other and I've held them together with a little bit of white gaffer tape down the middle. The light on the left here has got a yellow gel on it. The light on the right has got a green gel on it. And I'm going to meter both these lights right off the front panel to f16. My key light is a gridded beauty dish, which is up and away to camera right. And I'm going to meter this light to f5.6 on the model. I've put the model directly in front of the two strip boxes. You can take a screenshot of this lighting setup and take a screenshot of my camera settings. And don't forget, experiment with the colours in the lights.